Are you ready to see this brand new luxury property in Altea? Let's go. There is 1,046 square meters of plot, 467 square meters built, 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a lift and sun all day. This property is for you. I'm excited for this video tour. First thing we see when we come in, there's views to the sea and to the island. We have parking space, electric gate. This home is located on the top bit of the mountain of Altea La Vella. What an entrance to this home. Beautiful staircase going down. Here we have a hidden lift. Actually looks like a closet. It is distributed on 3 floors. The top one to park the cars, the middle floor with the 3 bedrooms, and the downstairs with the kitchen, living room, and beautiful swimming pool. Let's see the bedrooms. Look at the design of this staircase coming down with the glass window at the back with views to the island of Altea. Coming into the room, on the right there is a walk-in wardrobe, and on the left you have a beautiful bathroom with incredible sea views. When you wake up here, you have straight away views to the island of Altea. What more do you want? On the middle floor, there is another entrance to come in, and then straight away through this hallway, there is the 2 bedrooms. Both of the bedrooms have their ensuite bathroom, high quality wardrobe, and they both come out to this one beautiful terrace. The staircase is one of the ways to go down, but you also have the lift that stops on every single level. You have a top quality kitchen, like I said again, with views to the sea, because it's something I love. There is an iPad because everything is connected electronically. High quality appliances, access straight away to the terrace. The countertop is all connected in one piece. I love it. Spacious living room, beautiful dining area with views, and look at these top quality windows. Look at this terrace, chill out area, LED strip, infinity pool, bar area, and look at this beautiful luxury design. We've reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more luxury properties like this. I'll see you on the next one.